Alrighty, and the good thing about whenever you know summer's coming is when Pier 14's open. So let's go check it out.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and I know all you seafood lovers that come down here from Myrtle Beach, that's all you want is seafood, seafood, seafood. Well, we're gonna take you to a place that has a good view and good seafood. Right here, located on the beach, and you see, it's the best view in town.
Pier 14 sits right on the ocean, and if you dine in the restaurant, you can eat right over the ocean. They are located at, you guessed it, 14th Avenue North. The original structure was built in 1926, but the restaurant has been operating since 1986. They have inside and outside seating. You can enter through the restaurant itself or through the gift shop. So even if you're not looking for some great food, you can come to fish or just buy some souvenirs. It was pretty windy this day, so many folks decided to sit inside. But not us. We wanted to sit and view the beautiful beach line, no matter how windy it was. Just check out these views.
So you have asked us to extend our palates, so we started adding in seafood.
And we really started liking salmon, if I can pronounce it right. But we've really taken a liking to it. And so today we decided to go with the blackened salmon with the bean salad. Here was absolutely delicious. It had corn, beans, chickpeas, and peppers and onions in it. It was so good. And I would request to get the salmon extra blackened. You know, what is it?
Blackened and seasoned on it?
A lot of blackened. So it was very good. And we also went with the bang bang shrimp, which is totally awesome as an appetizer. And it was lightly breaded, so it wasn't too greasy to kind of bloat you down for the summer and everything. And the sauce on the shrimp was absolutely out of this world. Not too spicy, not too hot, just right in the middle, delicious.
We also ordered some delicious hush puppies with real corn and honey butter. Our friends got the blackened grouper with a macaroni salad and fantail shrimp with mixed vegetables. One in our group even went with the cheese ravioli pasta. Now this is a great lunch with a great view.
There you have it. That was a look at Pier 14 right here in Myrtle Beach.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, how about give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel. And if you ring that bell notification, it'll alert you to new videos that we post, and we post them weekly.
That's right. And if we didn't get something that you want to see, please make sure you comment below. And if we have a chance, we'll check it out. So if you do happen to come down here to swim, make sure that you do stay away from the pier, because the lifeguards will be calling you down and blowing those whistles. And we don't want you to get hurt, or for you to get caught or hit one of the columns underneath. So make sure you stay clear from the pier. All right. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. And as always, keep beaching.